Some mornings you don't need a plan. You just need the button that opens the sky. The Riva 90 Argo starts there, built in Sarnico, Italy, by a family on the water since 1842. 180 years of knowing what people actually want out here, which turns out to be the open air. Enough power to put the coast behind you before noon. That hardtop folds back on the run. By the time you find your speed, the cockpit is already open to the sky. 320 nautical miles of range. You pick the bay. The aft deck opens wide. Flybridge up top runs a second helm, a wet bar, and sunpads from edge to edge. Swim platform is right where you need it. Drop anchor, step off, you're in the water in 3 minutes. Take the Flybridge for the afternoon run when the sun swings around. Drop anchor off a cove and let the swim platform handle the rest. Brought the whole crew, 4 cabins below. Keep everyone aboard when the day stretches long. Fish the morning, grill on deck at golden hour. Nobody has to be anywhere. The Riviera does the rest. Some boats are for the marina. The Argo is for the morning you set out before the fog lifts, when the hardtop is already folded back and the coast is still yours. Below deck, 4 private cabins and 2 crew quarters keep the whole program comfortable. The master suite spans the full beam. You feel it when you wake up at anchor. This is the Flybridge for the people who have been on others and found them lacking. Riva fixed that. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.